Hey, what's up people and welcome guys. Today we're going to consume 999 Slim to Pumpkin Duke for giving it a 8. But we can give it a 8 at 10 skill level. So this is freaking 999 Slim. But first we will eat him. So freaking, and I can't roll any gems because you are already rolling the max number of Slim Essence. So and this max number of Slim Essence. And I want buy, what the hell? I want just, no, I need Slim. What the I need Slim. Shit. When I need a hero, I get Slim. When I need Slim, I get hero. I will buy it with shards. So now 1000 Slim cents to Pumpkin Duke. First, this is one, and no. Get it. 999 Slim cents to Pumpkin Duke. So consume. Oh, I need Pumpkin Duke's eat 10. So we will buy eating for Pumpkin Duke. Shit. So we can get Pumpkin Duke as soon as I will get this freaking hero. First, best hero. No, Vlad is best. So Pumpkin Duke second hero to 8 to 10 with Celebrate. So guys, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and peace. And Pumpkin Duke, you need guys this freaking hero. You need it guys. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and peace.